There's going to be two E10s here holding the airbox on. So go ahead and remove those. Then here, just insert a flathead screwdriver and pop the clip up, and there's the pliers to reattach it. I'll link those down below. Next, we'll remove the MAP sensor, or unplug it. We're not removing the sensor. Then we can lift the box out of there. This is the crank breather line, or crankcase breather line. I believe this is a T25 Torx. And the same up here. This is just the cover that covers the bolts for the resonance, not a bolt. Get this breather line off. Take this purge line off. We'll remove this plug here. This is on the passenger side. This is the resonance flap valve. We'll unplug that and just pull the harness out of the way. And then up here on the top, you'll see there's another sensor here. Once I hit it with the light. This is the intake manifold selector drum switchover valve. Quite a mouthful there. And then unplug that one. And the same thing, just pull that. I'm just pulling that harness kind of out of the way. Then up at the top here, there's a vacuum line. I pull off the yellow striped vacuum line, disconnect that from there, and then we'll pull it through a hole on the other side here as we lift off the manifold. It's the air temp sensor. We have 4 E10 bolts here. And these are going to stay in the manifold, so just loosen them until there's no more threads, but there's a rubber grommet in each of these, so when you loosen them, they're just going to stay in the manifold. Don't take them out. Just be careful the 2 back ones along the firewall. You don't pull them out too far and drop them. pull these out of the way, and then we just lift up lightly. And then under here for the throttle, well, we'll do this vacuum line here first. I like to detach it here and leave the line on the engine, as opposed, it's just less obstructions when I'm trying to reinstall it. So under here, there's going to be the throttle valve actuator plug. We'll unplug that from there, and then it's also clipped on. You'll see behind the plug, there's a little clip that's holding the harness. Then from here, just make sure that it's free of any obstructions like that breather line. And then you should be able to go ahead and lift it off, gently lift up on it. So keep in mind this vacuum line back here, you're going to feed that through the hole in the bottom. And then just be mindful of that when you're reinstalling, that you don't kink that vacuum line. And then once you pull that through, go ahead and remove the intake and pull your gaskets off. Some of them will stick to the manifold. Some of them will stay on. And that's it. It's removed. Thanks for watching.